Good morning, dear student. Today our subject is industrial engineering and the topic is LP problem solving by graphical method and the sixth semester mechanical engineering semester. Okay. Now what is the meaning of LPP? LP means linear programming problem. Linear programming problem. That means it is the mathematically technique used. What is the meaning of LPP? Is the mathematically technique used to solve the complex of taking the best decision for various constant. That means various constant will be given. There is one of the best solution which can solving by the LP method, or we can solving the best solving the LP method, or the LP method can also solving with different method such as a big M method, simplex method, dual simplex method, dual big M method. It is the higher study we can find the different type method. Among the different method, one of the graphical method is solving the LP method. Okay, the main aim to LP method by optimization engineering method, main aim to get optimum solution. What is the main aim? To get optimum solution, that is which achieve the object and simplify the constant. What is the main objective of the LPP? To achieve the object and simplify the constant. Among the achieving the object, there are two major problem. What is the maximization, another is the minimization. Two major constant. What is the maximization, another is the minimization. One is the maximization, another is the minimization. What is the maximization? It is the main aim to the use only profit and sales, but one constant main aim to decreasing the cost. That means maximization value, how to find out the cost will be decreasing and maximum profit. That is the maximization value of the objective. Similarly, minimum value how to, its main object, the cost is minimized, and expansion. That means the value of the product is minimization, and how as possible as the expansion will be reducing. That is the main also minimization objective. Okay, better than you solving the problem, you understand what is the LP method, how to solving the graphical method. Let's consider one example having given question will be, this question will be given. Let the question solving LP graphical method. What the question is given? Maximization z equal to 20x1 plus 40x2. That is the object, and subjected to constant in this equation x1 plus 4x2 less than 24. That is the constant c1. Similarly, 3x1 plus x2 is less than 21. That is the constant c2, and x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 8. That is the c3 constant. There is a 3 constant is given, and one is the object is maximization value. What is the meaning of maximization? Z equal to 20x1 plus 40x2, where condition will be given where x1 and x2 always greater than 0. That question is asked to the how to maximization value will be find using the constant C1, C2, C3. Okay, now solving the problem. How to solving the linear programming problem by graphical method. Let give a graphical method means graphical method means we can using the equation form. Graphical method, that is we can using equation form. That means now the constant c1, c2, c3 is given. Now the constant c1 using, then we form the equation form. What is the constant c1? x1 plus 4x2 is less than 24. That is the constant c1. Where the constant c1 is converted to the equation, then the symbol less than 1 is changes to equation. but the symbol equal will be using. That means x1 plus 4x2 equal to 24. Clear? What is the constant is changes to equation? That means you will change the symbol just to equation form. That means x1 plus 4x2 equal to 24. What? That is the equation 1. Now x1 plus 4x2 equal to 24, that is the equation 1. Now we find in this equation, what is the equation 1? We can find the x1 and x2 value. Yes, what is the meaning? How to find the x1 and x2 value in equation 1? If there is a one value will knowing, then another value will be find out. So how to find the x1 and x2 value in equation 1? Now we get the value, putting the value x1 equal to 0 in equation 1. In equation 1, then what is the value of we get? x1 plus 4x2 equal to 24. Now x1 equal to value 0, so 0 plus 4x2 equal to how much? 24. So x2 equal to how much? 24 by 4, so 6. Similarly, putting x2 equal to 0. Similarly, putting x2 value equal to 0 in equation 1. Then what is the x1 plus 4 x2 equal to 24. So x2 value how much? 0. So x1 plus 4 into 0 equal to 24. So x1 value how much? 24. So in equation 1, we get x1 value and x2 value. That means x1 equal to 0, x1 value 0, then x2 equal to 6. Similarly, x2 equal to 0, x1 value will be 24. Clear? Now equation 1 we get what? x1 putting 0, then find the x2 equal to 6. Similarly, x2 equal to 0, we can find the x1 equal to 24. In this manner, we use constant 2. What is the constant 2 value? 3x1 plus x2 less than 21. When the constant is converted to equation form, then we using the equation by equal symbol in place of less than or greater than symbol. Okay, now changing the symbol, let's 3x1 plus x2 equal to 21. Clear? Now putting x1 equal to 0, then what is the value of 3 into x1 equal to 0 plus x2 equal to how much? 21. Then x2 equal to we get 21. Similarly, x2 equal to 0, then what will be value? 3x1 plus x2 equal to 21. x2 value equal to 0, so 3 into x1 plus 0 equal to 21. So x1 equal how much? 21 by 3 equal to 7. So x1 equal how much? 7. Yes. Now constant 2. Now equation 2. Now equation 2, what will you find out? What value we get? Where x1 equal to and x2. Okay, where x1 equal to 0, where x1 equal to 0, x1 value 0, then x2 value equal to 21. Clear? Similarly, x2 equal to x2 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, then x1 value equal to 7. Clear? Now constant 2 is complete in the form of value of x1 and x2. Also constant 1 x1 and x2 value equal to 24 and 6. Constant 2 by equation 2 x1 x2 value equal to 7 and 21. Now now constant 3. What is the constant 3? x1 plus x2 equal to x1 plus x2 less than equal to 8. Now it is the form of a constant. Now we changing the equation form. I have already told when the constant value equation will be changing, then what is the changes symbol? That means less than or greater than whatever the question will be given, we change the equal form. How to change it now? Similar manner, x1 plus x2 symbol replace, what is the equal? Okay, equal, that is the equation 3. That is the equation 3. What is the value? x1 plus x2 equal to 8. Now what to do? Putting x1 equal to 0, what equation will be already find out? x1 plus x2 equal to 8. Already we get the equation 3. Now putting x1 equal to 0, then what is the value? That means we can find the x1 and x2 value in constant equation 3. Then we put the x1 equal to 0, then what is the value? x1 means 0 plus x2 equal to 8. That means x2 equal to, we get 8. Clear? Similarly, x2 equal to 0, then what is the value? x1 plus x2 equal to 8. Now putting the x2 value equal to 0, so what is the x1 equal to 8. Now the equation 3, now we get equation 3 value of x1 and x2 is where x1 and x2, x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 8, or x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to 8. Already we get the value of x1 and x2 in equation 3. Similarly, what is the equation 1, x1 x2 value? 24 and 6. Similarly, what is the equation 2, x1 and x2 value? 7 and 21. 7 and 21. Now we solving the graphical method. Now what is the, how to find the graphical method? That means we can, using the graphical method, find the optimum value of the object. How to, using the graphical method, using the constant c1, c2, c3. Now what to do? Constant will be changes to equation form. Already we have get the equation form, and also find the x1 and x2 value of each equation. Clear? Each equation, that means constant 1 equation 24 and 6, constant 2 row equation x1 and x2 value equal to 7 and 21, and constant 3 row equation value equal to 8 and 80. Already we have to find the unknown value x1 and x2 value in each equation, which is getting to the constant, and easy to solving the graphical method. Okay, by using the graph paper. Sorry, there is no available in the graph paper, so I is solving the simple paper. Now using the graphical method, graph paper, how to solving to the optimum value of the object. That in this figure we have to draw the formally in the, that is the x axis, that is the x2 axis, that is the x1 axis, that is the x2 axis. Now x1 axis, the number will be provided 2, 4, 6 in this manner, but you have to do the examination in the graph paper, or each box or 1 mm equal to 10 mm equal to 1 mm. You have to decide it as your marking level. You have to do in graph paper, not a simple paper. There is no available in the graph paper, so I do the simple plain paper. Do how to solving the, let's consider equation, that is the x1 axis, that is the x2 axis, that is the x2 axis, that is the x1 axis. Now constant C1, one more topic. The question will be given x1 plus 4x2 less than 24. Similarly, 3x1 plus x2 less than 21. x1 plus x2 less than 8. That means there is a 3 constant C1, C2, C3. All are the less than LHS side, RHS side. That is the LHS side, that is the RHS. That means in this form is it less than 24. If the wherever you solving the problem of graphical method, in this equation all are the less than, that means it internal, that means the symbol will be given in that manner, the feasible solution will be internally. Clear? If the question will be given in that symbol, then feasible solution will be inside. If the question is given in that manner, the feasible solution will be outside. The feasible solution will be outside. Feasible solution say that all our line are intersecting. What is the feasible solution? We have to do in the graph paper. Before the graph paper doing, first you know the what is the feasible solution. What is the feasible solution? By the way, feasible solution means all the constant, all the equation that intersecting with each other. Which region will be common, which region common, that region is known as a feasible region. That region is known as a feasible region. Then how to solving the feasible region in the graph paper, or there is no present in graph paper, so I'll solving the simple paper. Now in this equation 1, x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 24. That means you put the value where x1 equal to 0, where x1 equal to 0, x2 value how much? 24. Okay. Similarly, where x2 equal to 6, x1, where x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 6, where x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 6. Clear? Where x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 6. Similarly, where x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to 24. Where x2 equal to 0, where x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 6. Where x2 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, x2 equal to 0, x1 how much? 24. How much? 24. Clear? Now connected to the 6 and 24. Now connected to the 6 and 24. Okay. Now connected to the 6 and 24, which is the constant C1, which is a constant C1. Similarly, constant C2, that means x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 21. That means x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to how much? 21. That means we get the x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 21. That value equal to 21. That value equal to 21. Similarly, where x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to 7. Where x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to 7. Clear? That equal to 7. That equal to 7. That means where x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 21. Where x2 equal to 0, x1 equal to 7. Now putting connected to the 7 and 21. 7 and 21. 7 and 21. That is known as a C2 constant. That is known as a C2 constant. Similarly, C3 equal to 8. Similarly, C3 equal to 8 and 8. That means x1 equal to 0, x1 equal to 0, x2 value how much 8, that means x1 equal to 0, that means x1 equal to 0, x2 value equal to 8. Similarly x1 equal to 8, x1 equal to 8, x2 equal to 0. Now connected now connected 8 to 8, now connected 8 to 8, clear. Now connected 8 to 8, that is the constant C3. Now connected 8 to 8, that is the constant C3. Now what is the feasible region? That I have told already. Feasible region means the totally intersecting line, that means all R line are intersecting, in that manner the C2 that line, okay, C1 that line, C3 that line, having the all the line intersecting, that means this region will be intersecting, clear. This region will be intersecting, having the name equal to A, B, C and D already given, okay. Already we have told the name of the feasible region, 4 points A, B, C, D, 4 points A, B, C, D. Now what to do? Now there are 4 points. Now there are A, B, C, D point, but how to know which point having maximum profit? How to know which point having the maximum profit? On solution among 4, which is the best alternate point? Among the 4 points, which point? A, B, C, D. Which solution among 4 the best alternate point? That means which point will take so that the maximum profit we can get. Now the name of A, B, C, D given as your graph paper, where A is where A point. Now A point, okay. Now A point, okay. Now A point, x1 value, x1 equal to 7, yes or no? Because having the A point equal to 7 already we find x1 equal to 7, where x2 equal to 0, where x2 equal to 0, x2 0. Now B point, now B point, now B point means that point you cannot find the x1 and x2 value, so how to find out the B point, x1 value and the x2 value? Now B point will be intersecting C2 line and C3 line, so we can find the B point, x1 and x2 value using the equation line C3 and a constant line C3 and C2. Find line between C3 and C2 constant, okay. Now C2 and C3 constant means C3 how much? Sorry, C2 how much? 3x1 plus x2 21 and x1 plus x2 8. Now solving this equation we can find the B value, x1 and x2 value. How to solving? Let's consider 3x1 plus x2 equal to 21, that is the constant C2, okay. Now similarly constant C3 how much? x1 plus x2 equal to 8. Now solving this equation, 2 equation minus, so there is a cancel x2, how much will you find out? 2x1 means 2x1 equal to 21 minus 18, how much? 13. So what is the x1 value? 13 divided by 2 equal to 6.5, okay. Now x1 value 6.5 at point B, x1 value equal to 6.5. now putting x1 value Now putting x1 value in equation 3. In equation 3. So what is the value of equation 3? x1 plus x2 equal to 8. So what is the x1? Already we find the 6.5. Okay, so 6.5 plus x2 equal to 8. So x2 equal how much? 8 minus 6.5 equal to 1.5, equal to 1.5. That means at a point B, x1 equal to 6.5, x2 equal to 1.5. Clear? Similarly at point C, because there is a feasible region, that is the feasible region. Okay, now you have to told C2 and C3 are intersecting, but is a two parameter. I have already feasible region means all line are intersecting. There is a C2 C3, there is also feasible region, but there is a C1 line not intersecting, so you cannot be. Okay student, now point C, now point C value. Okay, now point C value, there is a point C. What is the x1 and x2 value will find out by the way C point is intersecting C3 constant and a C1 constant. So solving the C3 and a C1 constant, we get the x1 and x2 value of at point C. Now what is the C1 constant value? x1 plus 4x2 equal to 24, that is the C1 constant. Similarly C3 constant, what is the C3 constant? x1 plus x2 equal to 8, that is the C3 constant. Now solving two equation, what is the value of x1 and x2 find out easily. So x1 will be cancelled, plus or minus. So what is the value of 3x2 equal to 16. So what is the x2 equal to 16 divided by 3, that means 5 or 4. Now putting, let's start. Now putting x2 value, now at point C, what is the, how to find x1 and x2 value? Because the point C is connected constant C1 and a constant C3. So equation solving the C1 and the C3, we get the x2 equal to 5.4. Now putting the x2 value in equation C3, in equation x2 value in, now putting x2 value in equation C3. So what is the C3 value? x1 plus x2 equal to 8. So x2 equal to कितना, how much? x1 plus 5.4 equal to 8. So x1 equal to how much? 8 minus 5.4. So x1 value you get find the 6.5. That means already you have, x2 value, x1 value will find out 2.6, 5.4, 16.5.3, and so what is the value of 2.6? What is the value of x1? 2.6. Now what is the point at a point C? What is the value of x1? x1 equal to 2.6 and x2 equal to 5.4, and x1 equal to 2.6 and x2 equal to 5.4. Now all the and at point D, at a point D, what is the x1 value and what is the x2 value? Okay, so at point D, x2 equal to 6, x1 equal to 0, x1 equal to 0 and x2 equal to 6. At point D, x1 equal to 0 and x2 equal to 6. Now all the feasible region having A, B, C, D, x1 and x2 value already we get, where the A point x1 and x2 value, what is the x1 equal to 7 and x2 equal to 0. Similarly B point x1 value how much? 6.5 and x2 equal to 1.5. Similarly C3, what is the value of C point? x1 equal to 2.6 and x2 equal to 5.4, and at point D x1 equal to 0 and x2 equal to 6. Now the question will be asked to the what is the maximization z. Question will be asked to the maximization z. That means using this constant c1, c2, c3 and the parameter and the numerator value x1 and x2, what is the maximization z value will be find out. Now putting all this x1 and x2 in a maximization and find out what is the maximum value. That is the answer. Clear? Yes or not? Now a point. Now if question will be asked to the maximization z equal to 20 x1 plus 40 x2 at a point a, at point a. Okay, a point, what is the x1 and what is the x2 value. Okay, so x1 how much at a point? At a point x1 equal to 7, x2 equal to 0. x1 equal to 7. At b point the maximum z value equal to 120, 190. At a point the maximum value equal to 140. Similarly at a left side, at point b x1 value equal to 6.5, x2 value equal to 1.5. Then what the maximum z equal to 20 into x1 means 6.5 plus 40 into 1. What is the value? 190. At a point, similarly at point c. Okay, at point c x1 value and x2 value. So what is the value of x1? Point c. Point c, what is the value of x1? We get the 2.6 and x2 value equal to 5.4. So what is the value of x1? 2.6 and what is the value of x2? 5.4. Now maximization z equal to 20 into 2.6 plus 40 into 5.4. So what is the value of 268? 268. Okay. Similarly, at a point, what is that point A, B, C? Clear? Then what is at point D? What is the at point D? x1 equal to 0, x2 equal to 6. So maximization z equal to 20 into x1 plus 40 into x2. But at point D x1 value how much? 6. Our x2 value how much? x1 value 0 and x2 value equal to 6. So 20 into 0 plus 40 into 6. So what is the value of 240? Okay, what is the value of 240? Okay, so in that condition the maximization z value at a point, what is the 140, maximization z value at b point 190, maximization z value c point 268, maximization z value d 240. So the answer is at point, which point? At point c. Answer at point c, the maximum value, the maximum objective value equal to 268 and the constant x1 equal to 2.6 and parameter x2 equal to 5.4. That means the maximization z value how much? 268 and constant cu x1 equal to 2.6 and x2 equal to 5.4. So I hope this video is a better understand graphical method how to solving the linear programming problem. Thank you.